Friends, even careful care of the aquarium may not protect the flowerhorn fish from health problems. The sooner they are detected, the greater the chance for the organisms inhabiting the tank to recover. So, if you just notice that the flowerhorn fish you are keeping is swimming near the bottom of the aquarium and his body is unnaturally bent, it could mean that the fish is poisoned with ammonia. So, the question arises, how to counteract this phenomenon? You will find the answer to this question and a lot of additional advice in this video. Hello everyone, we welcome you all to our YouTube channel Blue Aquatics. Today's hot topic is how to detect an ammonia problem in the Flowerhorn Aquarium. Too much ammonia in the Flowerhorn fish aquarium can cause red gills in Flowerhorn fish and is the most common cause of death. This situation often happens when arranging a completely new tank that is not yet properly adjusted, or in an aquarium into which too many fish will be introduced, which will lead to a reduction in the efficiency of the filter used. In addition, it can also occur as a result of the use of drugs to solve another problem, but on the occasion of destroying the colony of beneficial bacteria. Following are the most characteristic symptoms of poisoning organisms with excessive amounts of ammonia in the aquarium. The first one is flowerhorn fish swallowing air from under the surface. Second, enlarged and red gills which may even slightly bleed. Third is a noticeable change in the behavior of the fish. They can become lethargic and less vigorous. Next can be flowerhorn fish may have an unnaturally curved body. Fifth is you can see fish lying or swimming directly at the bottom of the aquarium. And sixth is visible red spots on the fish's tail or other parts of the body. Ammonia poisoning is an extremely serious threat to your flowerhorn fish because, in addition to the above mentioned symptoms, his internal organs may be destroyed, especially the center of the nervous system and the brain, which may eventually lead to the death of the poisoned organisms. You might be wondering, what treatment should I use? It is very important to implement quick treatment, although it is not easy and requires appropriate knowledge and specialist sources. However, it is worth bearing in mind that quick intervention is the only solution that will save the flowerhorn fish and prevent the unpleasant consequences of a large amount of ammonia in the aquarium. The first step is to stabilize the pH level. It should not exceed 6.5 to 7 units. Additional recommendations include the replacement of 50% of the water in the tank and stop feeding the flowerhorn fish during the treatment, or reducing it in the extent that there are no residues on the bottom. For the treatment to be effective, it is necessary to apply measures as soon as the ammonia level rises above 0.01 per ml. In the case of a very advanced problem, it is worth using chemical preparations aimed at neutralizing ammonia in the aquarium. With the passage of time and the use of measures, the pH level should be controlled, and thus the effectiveness of the activities carried out should be checked. In addition, the level of ammonia must become the most toxic when it exceeds 7 units. But already at 0.01 per meal, you can notice the first sign of disease, which answer the question of why the fish lie on the bottom of the tank and are bent. You must be thinking how to prevent this from happening. A very important issue to prevent the appearance of an excessive and at the same time dangerous amount of ammonia in the aquarium is to pay attention to any disturbing symptoms and to carefully look after the situation in the tank. In addition, what counts is the slow creation of an environment for the fish by dividing the work into several stages. What does it mean? First of all, after buying a new flowerhorn fish, it is important to let him settle into the tank. And this process takes 3 to 4 days. It is also worth not to overfeed the flowerhorn. And in the event of large number of residues remaining at the bottom, carefully clean the tank. In addition to food fragments, parts of the silt including dead plant parts should also be removed. The water should be replaced once a week or more frequently. In addition, it is also necessary to conduct tests regularly, which will allow you to catch the problem promptly. Adding to it, it is worth equipping the aquarium with a high quality biological and chemical filtration systems with high efficiency. Such media can contribute to the colonization of beneficial bacteria. Certainly, with a very advanced problem, it will be necessary to use chemical absorbers of nitrogen compounds. Following the above advice will surely guarantee an effective fight against the excessive amount of ammonia in the aquarium, which is why prevention is so important. However, when a problem arises, nothing is lost. It is worth implementing the treatment described in the video, which is very effective. Remembering that ammonia is one of the biggest killers of aquarium fish, but it is an opponent to be defeated. Stay tuned, subscribe to our channel Blue Aquatics, and also ring the bell icon. This will help you in receiving notifications. The YouTube channel that shares the best knowledge on flowerhorn fish keeping. So have a happy flowerhorn fish keeping, everyone.